Okay, why you said, but for now the channel is better broad topic or 15 videos with small niche, for example, just broad topic for sure. So what I would do is, like I just mentioned, just pick one of the topics from that channel, from Nutty History. I already closed it. Wait, let me check it. So one of them was the weird things you didn't know about X. One of them was the filthy secrets you didn't know about X, right? What I would do is pick one of these topics and then make like 15 videos about it, about just that topic. So you stay like on point with your niche. So maybe make 15 videos, which are all called weird things you did not know about Cleopatra. And then you look for 15 other famous historical figures. Or here, for example, this one, creepy things that were normal during the Vietnam War. Like, you can make this video 20 times for 20 different wars that have been played out in the past, right? So creepy things that were normal in the X war. And you can probably find some information about that too. See, here's another video. This is what they did too. Creepy things that were normal in feudal Japan. Creepy things that were normal during the Vietnam War. Let's see if we can find it here. Creepy mysteries of Vietnam. So creepy mysteries that were normal in the Vietnam War. Here, creepy things that were normal in ancient Sparta. See, so they doing this too. So here, another one, creepy things that were normal in ancient Greece. So you can literally do that for a bunch of different topics and channels, video IDs, I mean, or civilizations, and then you can brainstorm a lot of good ideas. All right, Wayu?